Hey guys, this is going to be a quick explanation as to how to use the Taobao search translator, which is a little Chrome extension that I made to make it a little bit easier to search on Taobao if you're not a native Chinese speaker. I apologize for the sound of the fan. It's just because the filtering systems that I have on make the voice really choppy and difficult to understand for a reason. So first, let's go to the Chrome store and look for Taobao search translator. And if we bring that up, this will be one of the options, which is by Michael.read, which is me. You go add to Chrome, add extension. I'm just using a later version, but I'm still in development. So what that means is that anytime you just hit Control-Shift-F and you just like type something in. So let's just go like that. And the idea is that the system will just translate it for you, pump it into a URL, and then actually make that search. So a little bit deeper than that, it also gives you some options where you can obviously search not just through Taobao, you can go to JD.com, Tmall, and Alibaba 1688, so the Chinese version of Alibaba. So if we just select JD in this case, and go search on Taobao again, then we'll just make the same search, but this time we'll go to JD.com instead, which is cool. There's also a couple options, so there's location, the sorting type, and then the input language. So I'm just leaving the input language to order, because I'm obviously using English at the moment. For the sorting, there's like price ascending and descending, which is pretty self-explanatory. There's sort by seller credit, which is to say just like sorting by the credit score of the seller in each individual website. And the last one is number of sales. So that obviously makes sense for like if you're looking for a hat that a lot of other people have bought, which probably means that it's fairly good. Not always the case, but still very useful sorting mechanism. You can also see that the location is only functional in certain instances. So for example, Alibaba lets you search by province, not by city. And then Jingdong and Tmall don't let you localize at all, whereas Taobao lets you do both, which is nice. So then let's also just like demonstrate a little bit of the benefit that it has. So if you look for something like a laptop, the fact that it shows you what the Chinese translation is, as well as translating it back into English, it gives you just like a bit of insight as to how it's actually doing the translation. So in this one, it takes laptop and then it changes that to like the two component words, notebook and computer. And so this will just help you a little bit in sort of like choosing the right key terms that you're using and understanding how the translation works. So the translation in this extension also uses the Baidu API, which means you don't need to be connected to a VPN to use this one. In the future, I'll be adding some more stuff with like helping you to automatically populate your address, and also hopefully doing some like image search based things, so that when it's very difficult to find the correct search term that translates properly, you can instead look in your native language for an image and then use that to back translate. But for now, this is what it is, so enjoy.